Welcome to our channel. This short video will explain what packaging is, which is an essential element of any product that is often overlooked. So, let's dive in. What is the packaging definition? Packaging refers to the materials and design used to enclose, protect, and present a product. It includes everything from the box or container to the labels, inserts, and protective materials used to keep the product safe during shipping and handling. Packaging not only protects the product but also serves as a marketing tool to attract and inform customers about the product inside. Why is packaging important? Packaging is crucial for businesses to differentiate their products from competitors and create a positive customer experience. A well-designed package can improve brand recognition, increase product value, and reduce product damage during transportation. Packaging also plays a significant role in sustainability efforts, with many companies using eco-friendly materials and designs to reduce waste and environmental impact. Thanks for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.